Today we're talking about the new 8K Silent Ride trailer suspension. My name is Tarek, and this is Timbren. Timbren Industries recently introduced the new 8K Silent Ride trailer suspension. Up to now, the 7K Silent Ride was the largest trailer suspension of its kind. But due to its popularity and demand in the market, an 8K Silent Ride suspension is now available. The unique combination of a metal control arm and two Aeon rubber springs creates a suspension that rides smoothly with or without a load. And its rugged construction ensures maximum durability up against the most challenging road conditions. Although the suspension capacity has been increased to 8K, a lower ride height, less than 15 inches from frame to ground, is still achievable. As a result, a low center of gravity is maintained for maximum stability. This easy to install unit gives you the flexibility to choose more options. Things like 4 to 6 inch drop axles, alternatives on tires, hubs, and brakes, the choice of the durometer on the rubber jound spring. Silent Ride suspensions are a good fit for RV trailers, boat trailers, car haulers, utility trailers, or any trailer on a steel or aluminum frame. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of us via social media, send us an email, or give us a call. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button there. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you click that little bell icon there so you can stay up to date with everything that's going down at Timbren Industries. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you later.